This Tahoe is a mess. We gotta clean up the Crusader. Well, that's a problem for another day. What am I gonna do? I don't know. But let's load up the backpack here. What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to another awesome adventure here on Johnny's Corner. If you are new, sure would appreciate it if you click that subscribe button and ring that bell, ding ding, to get access to all my latest notifications. If you're returning, you already know. I thank you from the bottom of my heart. Guys, today I'm just getting out here doing a nature walk. Just need to step away for a little bit. So I got the old backpack on, a couple of necessities in the back. The things like water, a rope, a magnet, first aid kit in case I get hurt. Some other things I'm not going to mention on camera. But take a look at this beautiful, beautiful lake right here. We're going to go ahead and hike around it, see what we can find. Maybe we find some awesome wildlife. I don't know. That would be awesome. Like I said, I don't know if this is going to make the cut, because either way, it's a day for me. And I just need to get out here and be one with the Lord right now. So guys, come with me and come have some fun. Because you know, I love you. I know I love our adventures. Let's go. Now, don't get excited, because as y'all already know, there's waterfalls over here, and we're going to walk right by them. I'm going to show them to you, but we're walking right by them and see where I end up. They say all trails lead around the same spot, so we're going to find out. Let's go. We got to the bottom here. Take a look. It's really cool. It never ceases to amaze me just how beautiful nature is, and I love it. There's so many people that take it for granted. Look in your backyard. You never know what's there. Get on the computer, look up wildlife, see what you have for options, and go take a day in the park. Get away from the stress of life. Enjoy yourself. Enjoy this. Listen. They're enjoying it too. But take a look at this, guys. Yeah, buddy. When I'm having a rough time, it's in human nature to go ahead and socialize. But that's not all of us. Some of us withdraw and become secluded. Don't know why, but many of us focus inward. And we spend most of our time trying to make everybody else happy and smiling. That's human nature. We want to bring the best out in other people. And we often forget to focus on ourselves sometimes. And, well, every once in a while, no matter where I go, sometimes I just need to be one out here. Nature. It really calls me. Well, I'll be darned. It's an armadillo. What you doing over there? It's salt possum. Goofy looking things, ain't they? I almost don't even notice them. I won't back out, see if you notice them. That's how far away I am. Do you notice him? How about now? Do you notice him now? Nope. He's there. Right up there. So cool. Nature. All right, I gotta stop right here. Because right here, if I could right now bottle the smell that I'm smelling right now, yeah, it's pine, but it's other elements with the pine that makes this such a amazing smell that anybody walking through a trail like this, when it hits them, you kind of get taken back to a certain point. Like for me, I remember walking a trail at another park when I was little with my daddy, and we're trying to go fishing, and I get that smell of like a warm pine smell, and hints, I don't know how to explain it. It's just like it's in the air, and it just takes you back. So, you know, use all of your senses when you're walking out here, you know. Look at that, pine cones. It's almost that time of year again. We're gonna have to get the kiddos and bring them up here and let them pick out their pine cones. They love doing pine cone art. Love how this bark looks. Look at the bark. And that tree goes way up there. There ain't no telling how old this tree is and what the stories it could tell. Am I one of the only ones that think like that? Let me know in the comments below, guys, if you've ever thought the same thing about wildlife. I love that smell. Oh, it takes me back. I wish I could bottle it. I'd take it everywhere I go. Down tree right there. Check that out. Love it. It's really relaxing. I'm just going to let you guys have a quiet moment. Take a walk with me and see if you enjoy the sounds. It never fails, guys. I am 100% sure this is where we take our family picture, in the park. Orange marker on the tree. Dug out, raised up. Sit down. And look at that view. Look at that view. Listen. No cars, no horns, no nothing. And I'm pretty sure it is because right there, Maddie always picks the best spots. And this is right before we start going down. So this is where we would usually stop and take a drink. So I'm gonna take a drink. Woo, I'm having fun. I hope you guys are having a blast too. Kind of a different video. I usually don't express my personal feelings too much. It's been a long time since I've actually done a vlog video where I'm just talking about how I feel. Every once in a while, it's something we need to do. So this week's video is brought to you in part by Burkle Cerakote. That's right, making the best water bottles you can ever get. I'm telling you, look how beautiful these cups are. These cups are amazing. Put water in this like almost 2 hours ago, guys. And I've been out in this heat and it is still ice cold. Love it. Love it. I love it. And be sure to check out this week's channel shout out. Magnetic North Adventures. Not Magnetic North Magnifishing. That's right. This is his old cup. He gave it to me as a gift. Thank you, Lee. Please be sure to check out my brother, Lee. He's an awesome guy out there in the UK. Growing like a weed. He does a lot of stuff like I'm actually doing right now, doing some nature walks. He does a lot of mudlarking, magnet fishing. He does some paranormal. Guys, a really good guy. I would love it if you would go give Lee with Magnetic North Adventures right here a good solid thumbs up. Let him know in his videos how he's doing, because I know they're awesome videos. He puts some time into them, and I just really love them. They're really relaxing and chock full of history. If you love history, that's the guy right there. He's like a walking almanac. I'm telling you. Lee, don't be mad I said that. But yeah, guys, Burkle Cerakote for the cups. Lee for the channel. I'm telling you, life is good. Ice cold. Love it. Listen to those sounds. I actually didn't think I was that thirsty. What do you say? You ready to keep going? Let's go. Ugh. Pick up trash. Don't need trash in the park. Don't need trash in wildlife at all. Let's keep it clean. The way Mother Nature intended it to be. Look how green that is. That's beautiful. Listen. Beautiful. I heard him pecking around over there. It's kind of hard to zone in on wildlife when you're out here. So kind of just stay quiet, listen for them, pinpoint where they're coming from. Hey, dragonfly. Love this. Love how beautiful the area is. No, I say that word all the time, beautiful, but it is. There's only one thing more beautiful than this nature, and that, my friends, is going to be my wife. What's that? What is that? Looks like scales. Maybe. Ooh, okay, we got some bones and stuff right here. I bet you that was an armadillo. Bet you that's an armadillo. Pretty cool. Don't know if I'm supposed to show you, but check it out. Pretty cool. Yeah, I think that was an armadillo. Pretty interesting. This out. Guarantee you that's where beavers would come up. Beavers, muskrat, maybe even otters? I don't know, you tell me. Look at it. Check this out. Oh, right out here. Oh, take a look at that big old fish right there. That was a big old bass. Just sitting right there. Under this little spot right here. If I had a rod and reel, toss it right out in there. Get me a big old bass. That's what I need to do. Bring my fishing pole with me. Probably another water level marker, maybe. I don't know. That's pretty cool. I'm telling you guys, you wait. There's something up here that my kids said the next time I ever came out here, I would have to bring something in my backpack with me to enjoy it, because you never know. All right, guys. So, as I mentioned, we're down in here. Take a look. You might remember it from spiderweb, from another video we did with a hike with the girls. But we did not have the magnets with us. I don't know what could be in here, if anything. But you know what? This is a day for me. Listen how quiet it is. No other people right now. There may be the occasional hiker. But this is nothing but me in the outdoors. Quiet, secluded. Maybe find some fishing tackle. Who knows? That would be cool. But you know what? It's that time. I think I'm gonna go ahead and put the backpack down. Go ahead and get the chest camera and get started. I think I'm just gonna enjoy magnet fishing for a little bit. I did intend to come out here to go magnet fishing, but just on this walk alone, I ended up changing my mind. I didn't want to go magnet fishing. I was enjoying the nature too much. But then it just, the adrenaline, the addiction of magnet fishing, seeing something like this out here in the middle of nowhere. You might not have anything out here, but you just want to try tossing the magnet to see, one, the most important part, look how beautiful it is, to get whatever's dirty in these waters out. And then two, who knows what treasures lie out here. I mean, probably gonna be screws, probably gonna be fishing stuff, if anything. If not, you know what? I had some time to myself, tossing the magnet, and like Gramps is Grumpy said in my live the other night, he said, remember, a bad day magnet fishing beats a good day at work. I think that's how he said it. But yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and get set up. Let's go. All right, guys, so today we'll be using the Titan 2.0. Let's go ahead and clean this off. Toss it out. First toss feels so good. Oh, that's definitely stuck in the mud. Ooh. Ooh, that went in there good. Probably should have used a clamp. Ooh, I'll tell you what, that down in there. Look at all them bubbles. Yeah, that down in that mud, good. It's down in the mud. Who knows? I'll let you know on the first find, guys. Toss is something already on there. It's a good sign. It's a good sign. It's not dirty, but fishing hooks. We do expect to find them somewhere here. Because, I mean, come on. Who doesn't go fishing? Let's go. Good job.
1 hour later.
I'm very happy. Very happy. Very clean. I think there's like 4 hooks. One baby hook, one big hook, like a half hook if it was a hook, and then another small hook. So I can't be mad. I did find a few things, but ultimately the overall goal was it is clean. It is clean. It is clean. And I love seeing that. Somewhere this beautiful should stay clean and never be touched by pollution. Take a look right there, guys. I don't want to move because he'll run away. Salamander? There he goes right there. Yeah, I think it's a salamander. There he is. Bye-bye. Yeah, buddy. All right, guys, so been walking. Followed it right to here. So what we're gonna do is look up here at this tree. Do you see the hole in the tree? Right there. There's a squirrel in there. There's a squirrel hole. It's a nest. See if she comes out. She just went in. She may be in there a minute. There she is. She popped her head out. She's saying hi. He sees me. Oh no, what am I supposed to do? Stay here, stay still. She's just in there. She probably got some babies in there. But we won't bug her too much. But I thought that was really cool. The things you miss if you don't look around. Yeah, buddy. Hope you're enjoying the video, guys. Just kind of been a quiet nature trail walk with me. I know I'm having a blast out here looking at all the nature, cool little things. So let me know in the comments below how you're liking the video so far. But yeah, let's keep going. Hello. Hello. Boo. Yeah, buddy. Whoop, whoop. Woo. Whoop, 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 That's really cool. There's a bench that never used to be here. That's really cool. Let's see. Take a seat with me. It's beautiful, ain't it? Have I introduced you to the man in the tree? He's a grumpy old man. He's been there a long time. He's been there a very long time. He'll tell you all the stories you want to know. And here we are, guys. One of my favorite places to come. A little bench, middle of nowhere. This is gonna sound funny, but guys, just sit out here, looking at these gorgeous hills, waiting for something to come. So peaceful. I love it. I really love it. All right, guys, so that's gonna take us to the end of the video here. Very beautiful trail. Brought us out to a beautiful spot here at the end of it. I really hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please let me know how I did in the comments below. Let me know what was your favorite part. We did a little bit of everything, a lot of silence, just enjoying nature. I needed it. Hope you enjoyed that kind of thing. We'll be back to the normal stuff, but every once in a while, it's good just to wheel it in and let nature take over. That's why we clean what we do. That's why we want it to stay clean, so we can enjoy it. But until next time, guys, we'll see you on the other side.